welcome to another NCCS SolidWorks tutorial. My name is Emmanuel and I'm an application engineer here at NCCS. Today I'll be talking briefly about a very useful and underused sketch tool in SolidWorks, SketchXpert. This tool is probably the most potent sketch repair tool within SolidWorks. What this does is whenever you have a conflicting relation or dimension in your sketch, it diagnoses the sketch in question and will not only show you what relations are causing your conflict, but also what removing these relations will result in. For example, let's take this part. I'm going to edit the sketch here, and we're just going to call added relation which will very much conflict. Here's tangent. As you can see here, items conflict or unsolved. So, just go to Tools, Sketch Tools, SketchXpert, and click the Diagnose button. Here it says it's come up with one of four solutions. Removing this tangent. Removing the tangent will, of course, result in what we had originally, which was the original sketch. The other one is removing the distance made. See here how it's grayed out? And it will result in this shape. Removing the diameter, or removing the line on edge. We'll go with that one. Click OK, exit sketch, and the change has been made. And yeah, I hope you found that useful. If you have any SolidWorks, Minicam, or CamWorks questions, the solution of which you want to see made into a video, please feel free to send me an email or give me a call at NCCS. Hope you have a great day.